Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Albie here, and today we are here for a sort of unboxing haul. I was actually gonna take these things out. I just received them, and I also just picked up some other things, and I was like, you know what, let me just do an unboxing. So this is going to be an H&M Home unboxing, so that's what's all in here. But I also just got some things that came from Target, so I figured I'll share that with you guys as well. So if you are new to my channel, I am Albie, and they can't see my face, but hi. I am Albie, an online interior designer and decor stylist. If this is your first time here, thank you for hanging out with me and stopping by. I really hope you subscribe so we can keep hanging out. And if you are not new to my channel, you are awesome. Thank you for coming back. And now let's jump right into all that I got. So I'm going to show you guys the Target stuff first before we get into what's in this box. So the first thing that I got delivered, and actually started to open it before I decided to do this video, was this set of LED string lights from Project 62. It is probably one of my favorite, if not the most favorite collection that they currently have right now of mine. And they are these gold leaf lights, and according to the box they are weather resistant, so they can be indoor outdoor use. Like I said, it's battery operated, so I already put in the batteries so you can kind of get an idea of how it lights up. So the light isn't on the leaves themselves, but it's actually on the string. But obviously when it's lit up, it just really makes the leaves sparkle a lot more, so that is really awesome. The next thing I got from Target is this cute little cocktails sign. It is, I want to say, I don't remember the size, 8x14. There we go. So it's a cute little cocktail sign. So it has mojito, old fashioned, Moscow Mule, and tequila sunrise. So you're getting like, obviously this just decorative piece, but then you're also getting like these drink menus. So I thought this was super cute to add to the bar console, because I love this one because of the wood frame. So I just really love that kind of natural texture element, but then also just the color of the drinks themselves really add a nice pop of color that complements everything else that I have going on in that area. And the last thing from Target that arrived today is this gorgeous, also from Project 62, leaf wall decal. So it is a, not decal, decor. It is a hanging gold leaf. So where I want to put this in my mind when I got this, because I almost got two for the bathroom, but I decided on something else for the bathroom, which won't be here for a while, but you know, what else. Where I'm thinking about putting this is in the living room next to the fireplace. So we currently have a mirror hanging there, and it's a dark wood tone mirror, and I wanted to kind of lighten that up a little bit. So I think this will be great. So we're bringing in the leaves, or we're bringing in the gold. Now let's jump into this H&M box. My last H&M order, my towels got mixed up. If you've been following me for a while, then you know from like around the holidays I started refreshing my bathroom. Part of that refresh was getting rid of all of our old towels, and those were a collection of towels from like Macy's, Target, Wayfair. I tried out these H&M towels. They're not new towels. I think they're part of like their staple. They just come in different colors. So I started out with just two different color ways, the red since it was the holiday season, and the gray, and then I brought in the blue. And in this order, in the last order, I got the taupe, but that got messed up. So this order is the correct taupes plus some whites, and that'll be it for the towels, because the red will be going away, and I will be rotating the taupe, the white, the blue, and the gray That would be like my basic rotation, which will really go with the overall vibe of the bathroom. And then aside from the towels, there should be some home decor in here, and then a pair of shoes. So we're gonna go through this box together. If anything is wrong with this order, we're gonna find out together. And yeah, first thing coming out is the shoes, so that's good. We can get that out of the way. When I saw these, I knew I had to get them. When we moved from New York to Washington, I pared down a lot of shoes. I had dozens of pairs of sneakers and probably half of that amount in shoes. Between my husband and I, we sold, donated, gave away dozens and dozens of shoes and sneakers. And I told myself that I would not buy any more shoes unless like it was a shoe that was unique, like I didn't have anything else like it, and this was definitely that. So I don't own any mules at all, so this was actually unique just in that way. But I don't own anything floral either, and I just thought these were super perfect for spring. Let me make sure it fits. I didn't want to go like too big and like it's flopping off of my foot. Didn't want to go too small and now my heel is grazing the concrete. So I feel like mule loafers is something you kind of gotta like, you gotta cut it real close with the size, but they fit. I'm happy. Now let's jump into the home stuff. What I love about their bath towels, one, they're big. So they're 28 by 55. I love these because they're textured. So it's like this textured chevron. So they dry us, like actually drying our body really well, but they also dry themselves really well, so they don't just stay damp. And then I also love that they come with like these hanging hooks, so we can just kind of hang them and let them just hang that down and dry, as opposed to like draping them over the hook. And they're huge, so like they completely wrap around. Like I've had towels that like I wrap around and then I end up with like a slit up my leg because it didn't quite make it like completely around my hips. These wrap around completely, nothing showing that shouldn't be showing. And like I said, I love that it's textured. And H&M towels don't come as sets. So you have the bath towels, the hand towels, the guest towels, which is basically big, medium, small, like if I had to oversimplify it. So the bath and the hand towels are individually sold, and the guest towels come as a 2-pack. So that's why I have like 2 things, just in case there's a week where both my husband and I, both of us want to use tote towels or whatever. So these are the 2 hand towels. These are 20 by 28. The white towels aren't going to be in the rotation regularly because they're white, but oh my god, so pretty. So far we're looking good. Like I've never had an issue with an H&M order. That last one, I don't know if it was just a whole lot of towels in that box and someone said, I don't know what's happening here, but whatever. Even though their towels don't come as sets, I love that they're always available in all the colors. Like that's pretty awesome. Next coming out is, okay, so this is the throw blanket I got. It is a zebra print throw in taupe. I'm thinking I'm gonna use this in my office, but I love the size and the feel of this one. Oh, it feels really good. So this throw is 51 by 67. But it feels so good. It feels really nice. Oh, this makes me happy. Looks like really well made. So yeah. So this is a decorative box. Oh, this is so gorgeous. So this is a suede box, and it is real suede. They just, in case, like H&M wants you to know, this is real suede, honey. Premium quality. Love it. I think it was on sale when I purchased it, but it's really pretty. I love this textured lid. Oh, so gorgeous. And the blush pink, I want to say there's a bigger size, like a longer rectangular size, and I believe it's also available in like a burgundy maroon, but I wanted the blush pink because I've said it time and time again, blush pink just translates really, really well as a neutral accent color. So yeah, this can, most likely my washi tape is going to go in here, and then it can live on my desk, and awesome. So pretty. So this is a 4x6 wood frame. I have a lot of pictures. I'm that girl who Shutterfly gives you 100 free 4x6s or 250 free 4x6s, and I'm getting them. I especially printed a ton of pictures when we had, while I was pregnant, after I had my daughter. So like I have like pictures for like every day of her like first 2 years of life, pretty much. Oh, I love the wood tone, and I don't know if you can like really see how amazing the wood grains is, and this feels nice. I'm almost mad at getting more than one, so I'm definitely going to be using this in my office because there isn't many wood tones in my office. Oh my gosh! So this is I don't have words. So this is a zebra print fabric. So if you saw my previous H&M haul video, then you saw my zebra print pillow covers. This feels like the same. It's like whatever fabric was left over when they made those pillows, they were like, you know what we should do? We should make some frames. This looks and feels so good. So I'm actually going to use this in the living room because I currently have the zebra pillows in the dining room, on the dining room armchairs. So this will kind of thread the zebra from the dining room to the living room. In case you're wondering, they have the covers, they have the frame. I think they have zebra print boxes, so like this box but in a zebra print. Yeah, H&M's doing it this season, but I'm living for this because this will kind of thread everything in that open area. But I love this. So it's a 8.27 inch by 6.3 inch frame. Super pretty, super nice. Yeah, I know which pictures are going in both these frames already. I believe I said this in another video, I absolutely loathe comforters. Duvets are just way more practical, way more space efficient, way more cost effective. So yep, got another duvet set. So I didn't want another all white, but I wanted something more neutral. I still wanted something neutral. I'm going in a more neutral direction with my bedding. So I saw this one, and I think it was also on sale. So it is white with like this print all over it. So pretty. Let's see. You can kind of glean from this graphic. Very happy with everything that I got. I am super, super excited. So that is the whole H&M box. Everything was good in the order. H&M never disappoints when it comes, like I said, to my home decor and like textiles. Like I've gotten accessories for my kitchen, living room, all that, bathroom, all that jazz. I do have a few reviews I want to do, but like before I do a review, I want to live with things for a little bit, use them for a little bit, just to kind of make sure my review is as robust as possible. But if there is anything from this video that you want me to do a review on, or you want to see how I style it, let me know in the comments. If you felt inspired by any of the things in this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you just like hanging out with me and want more of my shopping and styling and all that jazz, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to make sure you actually know when I upload a video. And again, thank you for watching, thank you for hanging out, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.